Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make soup spaghetti step by step. Start by prepping all ingredients so you can add them in stages without rushing. Use a large pot and bring broth to a gentle simmer before adding noodles so they cook evenly. Keep flavors bright with fresh herbs and adjust seasoning at the end so the soup tastes balanced and cozy. Warm a heavy pot and add a splash of oil. Then sauté onion, garlic, and celery until soft and slightly golden to release flavor. Pour in stock and crushed tomatoes and bring to a simmer so the base becomes rich without boiling aggressively. Let the mixture cook on low to marry flavors. Then taste and adjust salt, pepper, and a touch of acid to brighten the broth before adding other ingredients. When the broth is ready, add spaghetti and stir gently to separate strands. Then time the pasta to finish in the soup so it soaks up flavor. If using raw protein like ground meat or chicken, add earlier so it cooks through with the noodles. If using leftover cooked meat, add at the end to warm without drying out. Finish with fresh herbs and a drizzle of oil for a silky, homely bowl.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.